So we learn sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2. Then any power of sin theta, that is sin raised to n theta plus cosec raised to n theta is always 2, where n belongs to capital N, right? N is a positive number. This we learn. Now similarly, sin theta plus cosec theta is 2. Similarly, cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. So what we get? Cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Then cos raised to n theta plus sec raised to n theta is equal to 2. So these are another formula. And another function and reciprocal is tan and cot. So similarly, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Then tan raised to n theta plus cot raised to n theta is equal to 2. So these three are. And in general, if you want to write these all formulas, then you have only one formula, fx raised to n, right? Plus reciprocal of fx, that is 1 upon fx raised to n is equal to 2. Sorry, fx plus, we are writing this, fx plus 1 upon fx is equal to 2. Then this implies f of x raised to n plus 1 upon fx whole raised to n is always 2. If sum of the function reciprocal is given to, then. But if not given to, then suppose it is given like this. I am taking this sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 3. Then what is the answer of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to? Then what is the answer of sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta? Cosec raised to 4 theta is equal to what? This is our question. Is equal to क्या होगा बताइए. If this is given to, then answer is 2, but this is not given to. So what is the answer? Tell me. Answer is 47. This is my answer. So are you interested to know how to write this? Yes or no? Yes? Then wait and watch. So what is given? This. Now in earlier, what we did here, we are writing sin theta plus cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta is equal to 3. So taking LCM, answer is sin square theta plus 1 minus 3 sin theta, right, is equal to 0. So now this is your problem. What we require? So you are not able to solve by this method. So what you have to do? We want, this is not a perfect method for solve this type of question, right? So remember this thing. Now what to do? Now this is sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 3, and you require sin theta raised to 4 cosec raised to 4. So if we square, then squaring both sides, what we get? So if we squaring this, right, then what is the answer? Sin square theta plus, as I told you, write down square term first. First term, last term square first, then middle term. So sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 sin theta cosec theta is equal to 9. Now this is one that you know very well. Reciprocal multiplication sin and cosec. Yeah, why I am writing here cos? This is cosec theta. That is always 1, right? So this is sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 9 minus 2 is 7. Now which power we require? We require raised to 4 theta. So sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta, right? So again squaring both sides. Again squaring, right? So this is sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta plus 2 times sin square theta cos square theta. So 2 times sin square theta cos square theta, that is 49. Again these are the reciprocal of each other. So answer of this is 1. So what you get? You will get sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta is equal to 49 minus 2, that is 47. I write already there, 47. So anyone? आपको किसी को पता चला क्या करना है, क्या हुआ? मैं कुछ करने वाला नहीं हूं, मैं कोई जादूगर नहीं हूं, राइट? मैं कुछ जादू भी नहीं करने वाला हूं. Just see what we did. See, this is given. So required condition is function and reciprocal. So if sum of the function and reciprocal is 2, then any power of function and reciprocal's addition is always 2. Any power of functions power n, reciprocal power n is 2, right? If sum of the function is given, function and reciprocal is given 2, right? So fx plus 1 upon fx is 2. So already here, instead of 2, function and reciprocal is given, sum of the function and reciprocal is 3. Then what to do? Now we have to square both sides. Now if we square this, then we get sin square plus cosec square, but middle term is 2, reciprocal of each other, that is 2. So first time we squaring this, जब first time हम square करेंगे तो इसका आंसर 9 आएगा square. 9 minus middle term 2, because this is middle term 2. So 9 minus 7 first term, 9 minus 2, that is 7. Now again squaring, so we get sin raised to 4 theta. So what we get first time squaring, we get sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 9 minus 2, that is 7. After first time squaring, you have to remember this in your mind. आपके पास दिमाग है ना, दिमाग में सब स्टोर कर लो, क्योंकि ये जो हार्ड डिस्क है ना, ये हार्ड डिस्क बहुत ही बढ़िया है. इसकी जो कैपेसिटी है, इतनी कैपेसिटी वाली हार्ड डिस्क कोई भी साइंटिस्ट अभी तक बना सका नहीं है और बना सकेगा भी नहीं. इतना इसमें स्टोरेज रहता है, राइट? मिलियंस ट्रिलियंस ऑफ जीबी, राइट? So not one TB or millions of TB, right? So TBs of TBs, they are stored in this. So you have to remember this. If we square sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 9 minus middle term, that is 2, 7. So again squaring, what we get? Sin raised to 4 theta plus cosec raised to 4 theta. Square of 7 is 49. So 49 minus 2, that is 47. That is your answer. Got it? So suppose instead of this, it is given like this. Sin and so just I'm taking cos. So cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 5. Then what is the answer of cos square theta plus sec square theta? What is the answer of cos square theta plus sec square theta? So squaring once only. Cos square theta plus sec square theta, 25 minus 2, 25 minus 2, that is 23. So answer will be 23, right? If you want to find out cos raised to 4 theta plus sec raised to 4 theta, then what is the answer? 23 square. What is the answer of 23 square? You don't know. What I can do? Nothing. Then multiply 23 into 23. If you don't know how to find the square of 23, you first have to remember this all. So what is the answer? 23 into 2, that is 460, 9 and 6. So what is the answer? Yes. What is this? Zero, 6, 4, 9 and 6. So answer is 6, 2, 1, 529. So square of this is 529 minus 2, that is 527 is the correct answer. right? So remember squares up to 30 numbers. First 30 numbers का square आपको पता होना ही चाहिए, right? पता चला? So this is, suppose you are given tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 4, then tan raised to 4 theta plus cot raised to 4 theta is equal to, so now tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 4, so square of 4 is 16, 16 minus 2, 14, so 14, now 14 square 196 minus 2 is 194, so that is your answer. Got it? So what to do? If function plus reciprocal is given 2, then any power of function and any power of reciprocal sum is always 2. But instead of 2, function plus reciprocal is given any number, then if you want to find out the power of 2 or 4, then if you want to find out the power of 2, then first time square this number, 9 minus 2, that is your square, and for fourth power what you have to do? Answer is 7, again squaring, 7 square is 49 minus 2, that is 47. So remember this formula also, a function plus reciprocal is any number, that is n, then sine raised to, like function, that is function raised to 4 plus cosec raised to 4 is n square minus 2 is equal to, suppose p, then p square minus 2, that is your answer. Got it? How to do? Okay, fine. In earlier lecture we learned two formula, that is sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, and sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta is equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. We learned these two formula. Now using this formula I am going to teach you how to apply, आपको कैसे ये formula apply करना है, और this is the important question and important formula for J. So suppose it is given, if question is if f of n is equal to cos raised to n theta plus sin raised to n theta, then find the value of 2 times f of 6 minus 3 times f of 4 plus 1. Find the value of this 2 times f of 6 minus 3 times f of 4 plus 1. Either instead of this they are given that, then prove that this is equal to 0. So anytime question will be there in exam, right? But instead of that, prove that there is a question, then what is the value of this? Okay, so if not given, prove that, then find out this is equal to blank, or this is blank is given. So now see here, what is given? F of n, that is f of 6. So we have to find out first f of 6, then f of 4, right? So first here what is given? Given that f of n is equal to cos raised to n theta plus sin raised to n theta, right? So directly if I substitute x n is equal to 6, then f6 is equal to cos raised to 6 theta plus sin raised to 6 theta, and if you know the formula for this is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta, then write directly, so 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कैसे सॉल्व करना है, how to solve this, that I want to show you. That's why I am writing this everything. In competitive exam how to solve, there will be, मैं बाद में बताता हूँ आपको, बराबर. Now what you require? F of 4, So f of 4 is equal to cos raised to 4 theta plus sin raised to 4 theta. So sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So this is your preliminary values or collection of the data. Now instead of doing this all thing in competitive exam, you can directly write from here, that is 2f of 6, 2 times f of 6 minus 3 times f of 4 plus 1. Then you have to find out. So start from here instead of writing this. But in descriptive we have to show this. So you can write like this also, right? So for this MCQ, start from here. No need to write this also. Now 2 times f of 6. So f of 6 means cos raised to 6 sin raised to 6. That you know. But here is also sin raised to 6 cos raised to 6 is 1 minus 3 sin square cos square. So this is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 f of 4. F of 4 means cos raised to 4 plus sin raised to 4, and that is the formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, right? So 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, right? And plus 1. Got it? So now multiply this. 2 minus 6 times sin square theta cos square theta minus 3 plus 6 times sin square theta cos square theta plus 1. So this will cut 2 plus 1, 3 and minus 3. That is, this is 0. Right? So this is 0. That is the value that you know. If we are to prove that, then we have to prove 0. And answer, if you want to find out, then answer is 0. Got it? So this is the basic applications that you must have to know. Right? So same with another question for sin raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6. Right? Now here it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m. So we leave it as it is. So starting with this, because this is given and we have to prove this. Right? So left hand side is given sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta. Now you know this formula for this. Sin raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta is, formula is 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. So we can write this, इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3 sin theta cos theta whole square. Right? So now it is given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m given. What we require? Multiple of sin and cos. So multiplication of sin and cos, that means we have to squaring both sides this. So squaring both sides this, what we get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to m square. Now as you know, this is the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So applying this identity, 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to m square. So making these two subject, that is 2 sin theta cos theta is m square minus 1. So what we get? Sin theta cos theta is equal to m square minus 1 by 2. And substituting this value here, what we get? 1 minus 3 sin theta cos theta is m square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Right? And that is your right hand side. Oh no, we have to take 4 LCM. So take 4 LCM. So this is 1 minus 3 times m square minus 1 by 4. And now taking 4 LCM, you will get your right hand side. So this is 4 minus 3 times m square minus 1 divided by 4. So that is your right hand side, and hence you prove. Right? So this is the way. So now remember one thing.
There is a square.
So remember one thing, that is, sorry, we miss out this square here. Right? So remember one thing. This is very important. if it is given sin theta plus cos theta, right, and if v square, so sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that is we get sin square theta plus cos square theta and plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now what is this? This is 1. So this is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So expansion of this sin theta plus cos theta whole square is always 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So you have to remember this sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, and later on this is sin 2 theta we will going to learn, right? And sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So if you remember these two formula, right, then for competitive exam this is very easy question to prove, because you have here sin theta cos theta and given sin theta plus cos theta is equal to m, then you know if we squaring this, then answer of this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, right? So 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and making these two a subject, you will get directly m square minus 1 by 2, right? And substitute here, you can get within a seconds without wasting a time. Okay.